Hello mga ka-shoppers, samahin niyo akong mag-unbox ng Solar Emergency Light with Power Bank Outdoor Waterproof Flashlight Rechargeable LED Floodlight. Chargeable Camping Light 100 watts. Included ang kanyang charger, complete package, complete accessories. 100% zero electricity bills. Bakit to tinawag na camping light mga ka-shoppers? Dahil 13,000 lumens blast light hanggang 150 meters. Pwede siyang pang hikers, camping, emergency. Included ang smart remote control. May 3 brightness levels, strong, medium, to weak light for any situations. And of course, may timers. Auto modes, 3 hours, 5 hours to 8 hours. Naka IP67, durable for outdoor lighting mga ka-shoppers, proven and tested, waterproof, kayang-kayang makasurvive sa rain, dust, and storm. Ano pang inaantay nyo mga ka-shoppers? Check out now! Thanks for watching!